guys, good morning, good morning. This morning I cook my this or soda. This is eggplant with tomato and onion. Eggplant, tomato and onion with egg. Hello guys, good morning and good afternoon or good evening in the world. I love you guys and I love you baby. This morning, this is my food for breakfast and lunch. This is my eggplant and this is eggplant and egg. Hello guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you guys. Robert Wininger Couples in Love. I love you so much guys, and I can wait to our meet in Bangkok baby. Eggplant with tomato, onion, and egg. I love you, baby, and don't forget to subscribe. And I love your comments below, put and below. And especially, please help my channel subscribe. I love you guys. So, bye-bye for now, guys. This is my food for today. Breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Love you guys. And God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you, baby. Bye-bye for now.